Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Greg Jones with Engine Builder. Today we are in Harbor Beach, Michigan at Dirty Hooker Diesel. I'm joined by Evan Barry. And this right here between us is going to be a compound turbo LBZ Duramax, and it's our diesel of the week.
Engine Builder's Diesel of the Week is sponsored by AMSOIL, the first in synthetics.
Evan, awesome to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Awesome to be in the shop here in person at Dirty Hooker Diesel. We're in what's your brand new engine assembly room here,
Yep.
engine build room, and it's an awesome space. You know, compared to what you guys were working with across the street, it's a much bigger spot. Yeah, and you guys get to build awesome engines like this one right here. So we wanted to know a little bit more about this particular LBZ. So if you could, walk us through how this project got started.
Yeah, so this customer, good customer of ours, he reached out, he sled pulls, very competitive in the class, had some issues with his engine, reached out, wanted to do a new one. So we set him up. This is a factory LML block. We went through, we sleeved it, put billet mains, girdle, whole 9 yards. Billet crank. It's got custom spec'd R&R aluminum connecting rods, diamond pistons. SoCal Stage 2 poured and polished heads. Pretty much valve train wise is all Manton. So Manton push rods, Manton bridges, Manton rocker shafts. It does have the DHD billet rocker shaft stands, ARP hardware. As far as fuel, I'm not 100% sure what the customer chose. I know that they are big, somewhere 400 to 500% over range.
Very good. And so you guys are more or less just building out the long block for him.
Correct.
And then he's taking care of the rest of it.
Yep. So from this point, he will get the engine. He'll go through, he'll put all of his front accessory brackets on. He will put his turbos on, injection pump, and harness, and hopefully have fun with it.
Yeah, be good to go. Very cool. And you said this is a pulling application, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
Very good. That's awesome. Evan, did you guys do all the machine work on this stuff in-house now that you've kind of brought the machine work in-house?
So this block we started kind of beginning of the year. So that was when we had just gotten kind of our new equipment, we're just learning. So this particular block, our old machine shop actually did for us. But from here on out, moving forward, the goal is obviously do everything in-house now.
Yeah. And you guys got some nice stuff up there with the RMC and then the Rattler hone.
Yep.
Very cool. All right. Evan, let us know if we're missing anything else component-wise or just work-wise that you guys did in this particular Duramax. Are we leaving anything out? Anything with front cover or you got the balancer up front there?
Yeah, so this is just factory front cover. It does have a SoCal ATI and then a SoCal billet flywheel on the back.
Very cool.
Aside from that, I do know like turbo-wise, it is compounds. I think he's like a S472 and a 90 something. So I'm not 100% sure. Can't remember air-wise, but.
Yeah, so with the compound setup, he's probably gonna be running some pretty significant boosts. So you mentioned a few of the billet components that'll handle that stuff.
Yep. So I would guess he's seeing upwards of 100, 150 pounds of boost. So that's why, like I said, we went through, we did the SoCal Stage 2s, the competition springs, and then like the Manton 7/16 push rods, and went through the entire valve train just so he doesn't have an issue.
Very good. Now, Evan, I don't know if we discussed what cam you guys have in here.
So this has a SoCal 9100 alternative fire.
Very good. I've noticed that the diesel guys prefer doing that alternative fire.
They do, yep. So at the end of the day, we have found that going to an alternative fire, and this is a huge controversy, but at the end of the day, we have proven on the dyno going to an alternative fire will reduce harmonics.
Okay.
Does it fix the broken cranks? Not necessarily. But anytime you can reduce engine harmonics, it's just going to be easier on the engine. So it might not stop it from breaking if you're truly making, you know, too much power and overpowering the crank. But if you can reduce it and help get it just a little bit further before it fails or something else happens, then
definitely a no-brainer to go that direction. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So that's why you're seeing so much of it.
Correct. Yeah. And then even right down to just the difference in idle, you know, like when you first put these engines in and start them versus a standard fire to alternative fire, you'll even notice a difference at idle of how much smoother they'll run, just, you know, a lot more consistent.
Yeah, very cool, very cool. All right, so this is going to be a pulling application. You know, how much horsepower with the compound turbo setup? Obviously, you said you don't really know the specifics on the fueling, but
I know engine-wise, we set everything up for 2,000 horsepower.
Okay.
So
kind of
if memory serves me correct, he's somewhere between that 1,700 to 1,800 horsepower mark. So he'll have a little bit more left in it. And, obviously, depending on his turbo setup and his fuel setup, there's room to make more. But for right now, we'll kind of settle at 18 to 2,000, and he'll have fun with it. And
very good. So, Evan, do you happen to know the specific truck that the customer is going to be putting this into, or what class he might be running?
Yeah, so this is a crew cab short box Chevy. He does pull in the Wisconsin, Illinois area in pretty much their hot street class.
Okay.
So kind of a, I don't want to say a run what you brung, but because there is obviously limitations to their street class, but
yeah, it's along those lines.
It is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Very cool. Well, this is an awesome piece, awesome Duramax, and definitely showcases what you guys do here at Dirty Hooker Diesel. So we appreciate you telling us a little bit about it. Yeah. Evan, good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Guys, that's been this episode of Diesel of the Week. Make sure you guys are checking out everything that Evan and his team are doing here at Dirty Hooker Diesel. And as always, make sure you're checking out EngineBuilderMag.com for more awesome engine and diesel content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hey, while I've got you guys here, I wanted to tell you about Find a Builder. It's a new microsite on EngineBuilderMag.com that's great for both engine shops and for potential customers looking to get engine work done. If you're an engine builder, this site is a place where you guys can list your shop and what you guys do to potential customers through EngineBuilderMag.com. It's an easy subscription-based microsite that'll let you guys connect to a new audience. And if you're a potential customer looking to get engine work done, this is a source to help you guys find a shop that's in your area or one that specializes in the type of engine work that you're trying to get done. Make sure you guys are checking out Find a Builder on EngineBuilderMag.com. Thanks.